Do the hula, do the hula. He got the most serious face on it though while he's doing it, like.
Yeah.
Shake that pussy, baby. Alright, you got it.
I want to put a fucking picture.
Come
bitch.
on.
Now. No,
Duh, we've been waiting for you.
Now you looked at us.
Alright. Yeah, the brothers and sisters.
The siblings.
I want y'all to get the fuck out, and then us. Got big.
Oh, no,
See, I don't have to take a video. You could still talk and it's like a live motion picture.
We're gonna be like, for a split second, like, smile over there.
Oh shit.
Did you get it? Yeah.
Took two of them.
Oh, okay.
Alright, what are you doing?
Yo!
He grabbed our boots? Oh, I was gonna say, I didn't even feel it. Why you grabbing it?
Yo, she smacked me a drill kick out. I literally just rose it outside.
Oh my god.
That's funny.
Look at
That
retarded.
is funny.
I feel violated. My brother's trying to squeeze my nipples.
Yo, I thought he was gonna do it to me. I didn't feel it. I was gonna say I
Oh,
didn't feel
shit.
it either.
You didn't see that. That wasn't on video.
You know, I smacked him in the jaw.
What is he doing?
How the person record shit?
That's the
Let me get a picture of your Tinkerbell. That's so gay. A big ass monster like you with a bitch ass Tinkerbell fairy flying around on your back.
Flyer.
It was done for a female.
Ay, bendito sea Dios.
You just picking your nose, dude? Nice.
It's like a moco ass stuff.